Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha vinegar. First, gather your ingredients: a robust kombucha starter tea, a healthy SCOBY, and a clean, wide-mouthed glass jar. Next, brew a strong batch of sweet tea. For each gallon of water, dissolve 1 cup of sugar and steep about 8 to 10 tea bags. Allow this tea to cool completely before proceeding to the next step. This initial setup is crucial for a successful fermentation. Once your sweet tea is cool, pour it into your fermentation jar. Gently add the SCOBY and the starter tea. The starter tea lowers the pH, protecting your brew from unwanted mold. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Position your jar in a warm location, ideally between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. This environment encourages active fermentation. For kombucha vinegar, you'll extend the fermentation time significantly. Instead of the usual 7 to 10 days, let it ferment for 3 to 6 weeks, or even longer. The goal is to allow the bacteria to consume almost all the sugar, producing a very tart, acidic liquid. Begin tasting after about 3 weeks. You're looking for a strong, pungent vinegar flavor. The pH should drop to around 2.5 to 3.0, indicating a true vinegar. When your kombucha has reached the perfect vinegar-like tartness, it's time to harvest. Carefully remove the SCOBY and any new baby SCOBY that have formed. You can save these for future batches. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve to remove any yeast strands or sediment. Pour your finished kombucha vinegar into clean, airtight bottles. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep for several months. Enjoy your homemade, potent kombucha vinegar.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.